Guys, I'm the class style Sharon, your host for today. Today I'm participating in a DIY floral challenge hosted by Heidi and Lindsey over at Doma Homes. So guys, I'm doing a paper floral backdrop today, and this is my vision. So I'm using construction paper. It's 8.5 by 11, and I'm just roughly drawing out the shape that I would like my petals to be. And I'm so thankful for this challenge. I had just posted something, and I decided to jump on board. So just draw out whatever shapes you wish to. And with this challenge, you had to be creative and make your own flowers. So what you do next is put little slits in the bottom, and I have all my pieces cut out here. I have tons of them because I'm going to be making a backdrop. And I'm actually going to be spray painting these in a different color. So you can use your glue stick, or you can use paper glue. I find that the paper glue tends to come out, so I always shift to my glue gun. And do check out these ladies' channels. They are lovely decorators, stylists. I mean, it is awesome seeing their creativity. And do visit the other participants, guys. So I have all my pieces here, and what I'm doing, I have this piece of cardboard. This is actually the back of a construction paper piece, so it's a harder piece than the actual papers. I'm just using my cup to draw out some shapes in circles because I'm going to be cutting out all the circles. This is what all the flowers are going to be attached to. I also will be doing some satin flowers in the orange tone, but they are going to be doing the same way that these actually paper flowers are made. So I'm just cutting a strip of paper, guys, and what I will do is just cut several pieces out, and I'm just going to be placing some slits in them. So I'll fold my paper in half and just cut some slits. I'm not going straight through to the end. So these are all my flowers, my petals, and I'm going to attach it to the cardboard, and these are my strips. I'm just using my glue gun. I'm cutting 8 of them because each layer takes 8 pieces. And I'm just going to glue those on. I'm just marking because I want them to stay within half of the cardboard. That's Lily barking because she's seeing people passing, so she's having a time out there. Now I'm just sticking them one on top of the other, overlapping at least like a half inch, and I'll continue doing this for all of them. I will do the satin pieces also in the same manner. Now when I do my satin pieces, I like to starch them so that they hold the shape. But for now, I'm just showing the actual paper version of it. So I'm just on my last piece for the first layer, and then I will continue with the second layer. This is the second layer that has gone down here. And you're hearing all the birdies outside. So this is how the back looks, and this is the front. Now what I'm doing is taking the strip that I cut up, and you can use anything to roll the edges. I'm just using a glue stick because I had it here, but you can use any equipment you have. I like to make use of things that I have right around, and I'm just gonna fold it around and glue that in place. I'll do all the pieces just like this. So guys, I've seen some of the ladies this morning when they uploaded their videos. Oh my goodness, they are so lovely. And you know, I've checked out the host and others, and I was so impressed. So I'm just trying, you know, to see if I can do something just as beautiful. So like I said, my piece is a backdrop, a floral backdrop, and it's in keeping with the kind of tones that I have right now. So it's just to go in one particular area of the home.
So I'm using this black
So I'm just going to be cutting.
paper, construction paper. I'm just using this to get a round shape, and I will cut out the amount of rounds that I want. So I'll do several of these and cut them out. So I have the pieces cut up. All I'm doing is just fold it like that. Now you can fold it in quarters. I'll just fold it like that. And I'm cutting at the edges just to give me a little ruffle at the end. I'm going to do this on all the pieces, so it looks like that. Some of these are going to be sprayed gold. This is going to be sprayed gold, and this is going to be sprayed in a darker blue. So I'm going to show you how those look when I spray them, but I'm just doing these two in this particular color for you guys to see. So all I'm doing is just running some glue around and pressing it onto the piece. Now you can do this in whatever color you would wish to. And this is the blue one. Like I said, it's going to be painted in a darker blue shade.
Spray it outdoor and share it with you.
These are the flowers. They have been sprayed. So these have safety pins stuck onto them.
So I have a greenery block here, and I'm just going to cut a shape, semicircle in the center, and this is where I'm going to be sticking my flowers to. Now you notice the orange ones, they were drying, so I could not go through the procedure with you. I also have some cute butterflies here. You know, it's springtime, of course, and I'm just placing everything, and I will show you the final look. So guys, I so enjoy this challenge. It's not like me to post 2 videos one after the other, but this is how it looks, guys. I hope you enjoy. Thank you to Heidi and Lindsey, and I hope to see you quite soon. Do check out my videos, like and subscribe, and guys, check out the presenters and the other ladies, and I'll see you soon. Bye.